Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GoDaddy Domain, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the GoDaddy website at www.godaddy.com. Once the home page loads, look for the search bar in the center of the page. Type in the domain name you wish to register. Click on the Search Domain button. Wait for the search results to appear. Review the results to see if your desired domain name is available. If it's available, click the Add to Cart button next to the domain. If the domain is not available, consider trying different variations. After adding the domain to your cart, click on the shopping cart icon in the upper right corner. In your cart, review your selected domain to ensure it is correct. Next, you will be prompted to choose your registration period, typically from 1 to 10 years. Select the number of years you want to register the domain. You may also see options for additional services like domain privacy protection. If you want domain privacy, check the box next to that option. Once everything looks good, click the Continue to Cart button. You will be directed to the checkout page. If you already have a GoDaddy account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Fill in the required information to create your account. After logging in or creating your account, review the order summary again. If you're satisfied, click the Proceed to Checkout button. Enter your payment information in the designated fields. You may also need to provide a billing address. Once all information is entered, review it for accuracy. If everything is correct, click on the Place Your Order button. Wait for a confirmation message that your order has been processed. Check your email for an order confirmation from GoDaddy. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your domain with GoDaddy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.